In this video, we are going to testing a privilege escalation. So developer code in the application must include the authorization check on assign the roles to ensure that authorized user is not able to evaluate their role to higher privilege, such as a privilege escalation. Attacks occur by modifying the value of assigned the role and replacing the value with another. In the event that the attack is successful, the user gain unauthorized access to resource or functionality normally restricted to administrator or more powerful attacks. So in this video, we are going to discuss user privilege escalation. So now we are going to do the practical for privilege escalation. So just open our lab. Okay. Now just click on login. Okay. Already one user is already created, John, and his password is monkey. Login. Now you can see that the John user is logging, and okay. So now just we are checking the HTTP history. John username. Okay. Now we are looking for the get request and John username. So just checking the okay. So this is the get request, okay, and this is the John user, okay, and okay, okay, okay. So now first we have to check the cookie line. So cookie line is showing that, okay. So the name and value pair of the most interest include the username is equal to John and UID is equal to 3. What if we attempt to manipulate this value or with a different role? So just let's attempt to manipulate the parameter username and a UID stored in the cookie to different role. So we will use the Burpsuit proxy to intercept this, perform this attack. So just we are checking with this request. So now just intercept on. Are you okay? And first it's make or off. First log out the user. Log out the user. Now we are just intercept on John password monkey and login. And here is the request. Okay. So cookie line. This is the post request. Okay. So forward that, and this is the get request. Okay. Now check the cookie line. Username, UID. Okay. So now just we are changing the username or UID. So we set the sorry admin UID is equal to 1 and forward that request. Okay. So let's check the page. Okay. So after intercepting and modifying the request, we are able to log it as an admin. So there are server application issue associated with the privilege escalation. So any action related to account provisioning, for example, role assignment, and should only be allowed by administrator. So in this video, we have learned without a proper check in place, user can attempt to escalate their provision roles. So another issue exemplified in this video is we have changed the UID in request. So after changing the UID number, it's a guessable number. So you can change with, or you can use as a intruder attack, and you are able to find the user account enumeration also. So we have changing the just UID from 3 to 1. We are simple able to log in as an admin in the application. So this is the one type of privilege escalation vulnerability. Okay, thank you.